It is almost the end, and I have an entire village to feed. Between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? Love it. Okay, but I hit a night fury. We're dead. Whoa! I knew it. I'm dead. I could get used to it. Insane, demented, delusional, stupid. Yeah, well, you know what this is? The size of your brain. I haven't been able to stop thinking about you. Well, that's kind of strange. Well, I'm flattered. You feel it too, don't you, Hiccup? No. I just feel really awkward.
You didn't make it, Hiccup.
What?
Cool skies, huh? It's kinda itchy.
Yeah. Not bad.
So majestic.
How did I miss that?
knowing only one thing. That I never wanted to smooch that dragon again. Smooch that? Ow! See! Never wanted to see it again. You know your drawing ain't what it used to be, old woman. But your swing strong as ever.
Once in your life, would you please just listen to me? Sorry. I just want to be one of you. That was before it's all so messed up. You're not my son.
She looks so angry. Does everyone always look at you that way?
Son. You should be asleep.
I was thirsty.
Come here.
Dad? You couldn't get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She was the love of my life. But with love comes loss, son. It's part of the deal. Sometimes it hurts, but in the end, it's all worth it. There's no greater gift than love.
may seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, that is what I'm right. You a mockingbird, I'ma give you the world. I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you, I'll do anything for you to see you smile.
One night, a dragon broke into our house, finding you in the cradle. I rushed to protect you. But what I saw was proof of everything I believed. This wasn't a vicious beast, but an intelligent, gentle creature whose soul reflected my own. No, don't!
Hold on!
No! You and your father nearly died that night. Oh, because I couldn't kill the dragon.
It runs in the family.
Dad?
Hi. One night, a dragon broke into our house, finding you in the cradle. I rushed to protect you, but what I saw was proof of everything I believed. Your father really died that night because I couldn't kill the dragon.
It runs in the family.
Pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever.
find your dad.
Please, don't kill Toothless. Ah, it's all so messed up. We're leaving. Let's back up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation.
Hiccup.
Are you okay?
No! Never mind. No, of course not.
No.